How to change incoming call screen on Samsung. First, open the phone app on your device. After opening it, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the screen. A small menu will appear, then tap on Settings to open the phone settings page. Once the settings page opens, scroll down and look for Caller ID and Display or Call Screen settings. When you find it, tap on it to open it. After opening it, you'll see different call screen styles and layout options. Browse through the available options and select the one you want to use. Once you choose your preferred style, apply the changes to set it as your new incoming call screen. That's it. Your incoming call screen will now be changed successfully, and whenever someone calls you, the new call screen style will appear automatically. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more QuickTech tutorials. Thanks for watching.